i-challenge daw po yan sa Supreme Court.
i-challenge
Any
po.
reaction? I-challenge daw po sa Supreme Court ni Edgar Erice.
Alin po, ma'am? Well,
Yung unprogrammed
Well,
appropriations ninyo, kasi yun ang sabi niya na binawal na daw yan ng Supreme Court. So he will take it to the Supreme Court. May reaction po kayo? Any comment?
Well, as far as the program appropriation is concerned, okay, gusto lang po namin linawin na ang unprogrammed appropriation is just a standby authority lamang na maaari lamang gamitin kapag may malinaw na at legal na kondisyon na tupad gaya ng pagkakaroon ng extra revenue o loan at pagsunod sa may higpit na patakaran at validation. So, kung ito po ay sinasabi nating actually po, this was approved by Congress also, except that even we vetoed it. Okay? Kung mismong Kongreso po ang nag-propose and nag-ratify, but kami on the part of the executive, we even, kumbaga, na-veto yung portion of those unprogrammed appropriations. Sa katunayan nga po, itong unprogrammed appropriations for 2026 is the lowest before 2019, wherein it stood at 197 before, tapos that increase in 2020 to 216, then nag-decline na rin siya to 176 in 2021. In 2022, tumaas uli ng 251, and then 807 in 2023, followed by 731 in 2024, and in 2025, it was substantially reduced to 363, and now, it's only at 150 billion in 2020. So, sinasabi namin dito that really, the unprogrammed appropriations for 2026 reflects a clear policy direction na sa kabuuan, binaba po ito to 150 billion bilang opo. So, inaano namin dito na bilang bahagi ng mas mahigpit na at mas maingat na pamamahala sa kaban ng bayan, ang ginagawa namin dito as far as the unprogrammed appropriation is concerned.